This is an Underwood number 5 typewriter. It was built around 1910. We first started looking at typewriters. We didn't want it to type, but I was able to find this one on eBay that typed, and so we decided to go with one that actually typed. And it works very well as long as you keep reversing the ribbon back and forth. The only problem with this typewriter is the bell wasn't loud enough, and the bell is needed in the script of the play. So our master electrician, Michael Blair, rigged up a bell that sits underneath the table, and we have a little button right here that the actor is able to push, and it's not hooked up right now, but when she pushes this button, the bell rings, and it can ring as many times as she needs it to. So again, this is an Underwood number 5 built in 1910, and it's a beautiful machine. It's amazing that it's over 100 years old.